Hello, Aldo Figueroa here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the recording software that's built into your Windows 10 operating system. We're going to be using Windows Game Bar to capture a video reference. And what I want to do, I'm trying to capture a video reference that I'm going to be able to then uh, um, bring it to Photoshop to export a series of images that I could then bring into Maya as my reference video. So what I want to do first is I'm on YouTube and I did a search for this walk cycle reference and I came across Kevin Perry and his YouTube channel. And what he's made available is this really great video of 100 ways to walk. So I definitely want to give a shout out to Kevin Perry. Thank you so much for making this video available. I'm going to go ahead and press play and you'll see that he has lots of different walk references, which I think is great. Shout out again to Kevin Perry. And so what I want to do, I want to capture just a small section. You can see he has different types of walks, and I'm just going to let this play because I just want to create a reference. And what I'm going to do on my Windows machine, I'm going to press the Windows key and G. This is going to open up the Windows game bar. So what I have right here. And what you have on the gallery, this is, I believe, different videos that I might have had before. I'm going to go ahead and close this window because what we have right here is our different controls. Up on top, we have the game bar window. Over here, I have capture, and right here, it's since I had this window already selected, it's already referenced right here, 100 ways to walk. So I want to make sure that I had that window selected before I activate the game bar. Now with this window game bar, what it does is basically just capturing your application. And so since I already have this running, what I could do, I'm going to go to the settings right here because you do have options in regards to capturing if you want to also capture the audio. Right now it's telling it to say capture the game and mic. You could tell it to all. So it's game, enabled mic, app systems, etc. All the noises that you'll hear from your system, or to disable all. I'm going to disable everything because ultimately I'm not going to use the audio. I'm just going to use the video. In fact, I'm going to further process it so I could export a series of images to bring into Maya. So I'm just going to do no audio recording. It'll also save in file size. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. And what I'm going to do, like I said, I don't need audio, so I could close this window as well. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this button right here to start recording. There is a keyboard shortcut of pressing the, oh, I just closed it. It's the Windows Alt-R. I'm going to start it again. And what we should see, there it is, capture status. You can see that it's recording. And it's already recording this video here. And it's actually also recording my mic input. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and stop this. I like this dance fight. That's funny. So I'm going to go ahead and stop. I stopped it. And now what we could do is we are done with Windows, the Xbox game bar. I could go ahead and just click in the background and it deactivates. To find your files, I'm going to go ahead and pause this. I already have my window open. It's usually going to put it within your videos folder in captures. And we're here, I have two of them because I pressed it a little bit too soon. So the second one here is 24 seconds. This one right here, it's only 4 seconds. Let me go ahead and double click on this one. And just so we can see what we have. And you see, I did not record any audio. My cursor is still moving right here because it did. Windows Game Bar does not show you the overlay. And what I have right here is a video file that I'm going to be able to then use in a next tutorial where I'm going to show you how to bring in this file into Adobe Photoshop so we could crop it so that I only need this area right here and I only need a cycle. So looking at where, say for example, I like this, I like the old timey fighter, but I like this dance fight. So I just need one cycle. Instead of using the tools right here, you are able to trim this using photos within Windows, but I don't want to do that. I want to use Photoshop for that one. So as long as you have this file, in the next video, we'll be able to crop it and we'll be able to have an in point and out point where we want our video to start and end. And then we're going to export a series of images that we'll then be able to bring into into Maya as our reference. So there's a couple steps to do that. First step is to gather your reference video, which I have right here. So that does it for right now. I'll see you in that next video.